Okay, this exercise is going to focus on your hip, outside of your leg, primarily gluteus medius, but a little bit gluteus maximus as well. So these are fire hydrants. Sometimes they're called Pilates side knee lifts or knee raises. But you're gonna start on all fours. I like to use like a yoga mat or be on a cushioned surface. But hands are gonna be straight under your shoulders, knees down. I like to flex your foot, okay? So you're gonna kind of center yourself with one knee, and then you're going up to the outside, holding for a moment, and back down. So you kind of squeeze up as you go, and back down. What I really want you to do is focus on the outside, right at your hip joint, right at the top of that glute, and keep your foot flexed throughout the movement, and keep a 90-degree angle at your knee. And don't forget the other side. Okay, so that is called a fire hydrant for obvious reasons, but also a Pilates side knee raise.